Welcome to Viet Pacific Clothing, a factory with manufacture and export apparel under the Pan Pacific Group, Korea. With the aim of generating the best products at a reasonable cost, Pan Pacific has built up a global system with 20 overseas production firms and 2 offices, one of which is Viet Pacific Clothing in Vietnam. Viet Pacific Clothing was founded on the 14th of November 2003 in Bắc Ninh City, only 35 kilometers far from Hanoi capital and Nội Bài Airport, 120 kilometers from Hải Phòng Port. The factory is located in a prime location for international trade and export-import. Viet Pacific Clothing has a total area of 38,282 meters square, 48 production lines and more than 3,000 employees, with the total output is up to 10 million units per year. The main products of Viet Pacific are jackets, sportswear from big brands such as National Geographic, New Balance, Umbro, Louis Castro, Black Yak, Fila. The facility system for production is comprehensively invested and equipped with leading advanced machines in textile and garment industry. Automatic stuffing machine, automatic fabric spreading machine, automatic sewing machine, automatic cutting machine, laser cutting machine, computerized hanger system for sewing line, Intelligent Production Management System (QME). Viet Pacific Clothing has a clothes production process inside the factory. Starting from the sample design, material selection, cutting, sewing, completion to export, the production process starts from the sample room, which is built as a mini factory to develop new designs from customer. The sewing state combines both automatic and manual sewing machine. Each sewing state has QC check at the beginning and end of the line. The final products will be thoroughly inspected again before packaging to make sure that no defective product will reach the customer. As a pioneer in modernizing the textile and garment industry, the computerized hanger system used here is one of Viet Pacific's strengths in applying modern technology. Thanks to this system, sewing line management is regularly updated on the production process and outputs in order to timely support and adjust difficulties during work. In the years of 4.0 industry, Viet Pacific Clothing always focuses on updating the most advanced technology to apply to production. Currently, the entire production process in Viet Pacific Clothing is managed by a modern system specifically designed for the garment industry, Qualified Manufacturing Engine (QME), which support to automate data, manage orders and report on the system. In each manipulation, data is directly updated into system by the worker right at the time of production via modern tablet. Besides, in each state, information is also displayed visually on TV of any department to maximize production observation and management. Viet Pacific Clothing is trusted thanks to our outstanding manufacturing capacity and ability to understand customers' wishes. Moreover, every production state is conducted under strict quality control, from selecting materials to completing products. Together with production activity, creating a safe and humane working environment where workers are maximize support and opportunity to grow is one of the top priorities at Viet Pacific Clothing. Typically, the application of 5S model in production at Viet Pacific Clothing was enthusiastically responded by workers. The daily practice of 5S at Viet Pacific Clothing does not only brings visual effect at clean and tidy working space, but also save working time and self-awareness of employees at Viet Pacific Clothing, treating the factory as their second home. With demanded passion for fashion, With stable production capacity, superior and prestige product quality proven throughout the year, Viet Pacific Clothing wishes to become a reliable partner to accompany with your brand in Vietnam and worldwide. Viet Pacific Clothing, passion for fashion.